From the heart of the Swiss Alps, where purity begins, comes the first step to skin perfection, Swiss Glacier SCP toner. Infused with the Swiss Glacier Aqua, rich in natural minerals, it replenishes hydration while restoring your skin's ideal pH balance. The exclusive Phytobiome Complex, combining Lactobacillus ferment lysate, brown algae and green microalgae, supports your skin's microbiome, strengthens barrier function, and boosts natural radiance. Soothing botanicals like Calendula, Chamomile, and Centella Asiatica calm irritation and prepare the skins for optimal absorption of active serums. With every drop, skin becomes smoother, more balanced, and alive with hydration. Apply morning and night, gently pressed into the skin for a fresh, luminous start. Swiss Glacier SCP toner, where balance becomes beauty. MF3 Swiss SCP collection, the science of purity, the art of renewal.